All right, today we are talking, if I can get my finger pointed right, about my new suspension. So as you may have seen on my Instagram post, let's see if I can get around here in the back and show you. I have put new springs in my suspension. There they are. The rear are Old Man Emu 906 springs, and they are rated for 200 pounds plus on the rear of constant weight. Evidently I outdid myself, because when I bought the suspension originally it didn't come with 906 springs, but I evidently paid for an upgrade, got 906 springs, and had forgotten. But was it worth the upgrade on this set when I already had 906 springs? Yes, it was, and here's why. When my wife and I moved from Georgia from Georgia to Colorado, not back to Colorado, we had never lived here before, I carried a trailer that was way weighted down and had a lot of tongue weight. And then since we've moved to Colorado, I have done probably a good 7,000 to 10,000 miles of off-road trails, and however many miles of daily driving. And now that I have a tree service company, for the past 6 months I've been hauling 5,000 plus pound trailers with the truck fairly regularly. So sometimes I've wondered in the past, and sometimes I get people who ask me, well, when should I upgrade my suspension? And that can be for lifts, and that can be for whatever. But honestly, in this case, the springs were tired. Putting these on, I noticed a huge difference. Have a lot more control in the rear end again. It doesn't sag as bad. It just feels better. And so the $160 for a set of new springs, 2.5 years later, totally worth it, considering everything that I'm doing with this truck and everything I have done with this truck. So while I thought I was getting something a little bit better, not in the sense of better quality, but for my purpose, while that didn't turn out to be exactly true, it did turn out to be true, because the new springs are not as fatigued and they're definitely better. So yeah, the 906 springs will accommodate my trail gear rear bumper that I'm about to put on, and also more of the trailer loading and that kind of stuff. I have a set of air ride airbags that go in the springs. They are the helper springs. Have not put those on yet, because I'm trying to finalize a little bit about what I'm doing with the interior compartment, where I'm going to permanently mount my air compressor that I'm currently using, which is the Via Air 88P. And then I will run the air hoses from the helper springs to that area, but I'm going to wait on that until then. On the front, right back up in there, I have the original Old Man Emu Struts, but I have put 883 springs on them. Originally, I was running the 880 springs, and they were intended for a stock front end. After I bought the truck, shortly after I bought the truck, I was given this bumper for some work that I did from Wham Bumpers, which I'm very thankful for. Thank you guys, great bumper. And I also got a winch for doing some reviews and things like that. So I have a Smitty built winch with steel cable on it, and that all adds up on weight. So the 880 springs were never intended for that much weight. And as that was the case, I used to have a really bad sag in the front of the truck. Now that I put the 883 springs on there, no more sag. It doesn't feel as squishy in the front, I guess is the best word for it. It doesn't feel as soft. And under braking, it's definitely more stable, and it feels a bit more firm, which is nice. It's absolutely not too firm, which is nice, because I almost thought it was going to be a little too rough of a ride, but it ended up not being that at all. The suspension upgrade for the front and rear, totally worth the $360 or whatever that is, $320 that it cost me to buy them and put them in. I think they were $170 a piece. So you can do the math on that. I don't even remember. I've bought a number of things recently and I can't keep up with all the prices. So I will put the links to my Amazon links that I bought these from so that you can support me through affiliate sales if you'd like. I am not sponsored. This is all my own stuff that I'm doing. Next on the list are a few more upgrades to the truck, but those will come here in the near future, in a couple of months or whatever though, and we'll keep going from there. Next mod up on this thing, I think though, is a switch to cut off and cut on the VSC, I think it's called, traction control and ABS system for off-roading. So hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Hope that I have been informative and helped you out a little bit. Hope that you guys continue to come back, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, be safe out there wheeling. Bye.